This video is about to change Python version or changing default old Python version to latest Python version in Kali Linux. First of all, you should check Python version installed. I mean, there may be a lot of version present in directory. So according to that we can change Python version to latest version present. As I said, there are many version present. And see, there are Python 2, 2.7, 3, 3.7, 3.8 etc. Now we will check default Python version and then check latest Python version. So Python version command shows default version and Python 3 version shows which latest version present on Python 3. Default Python version is 2.7.18 and it should be updated to Python 3.8. Yes to 3.8, not to 3.8.5, as 3.8.5 is not present in Python installed directory. But let's try first to update Python to 3.8.5. And let's see what will happen if we do so. Sorry, I am a little bit slow. Done. Now restart machine or use command to reflect changes as I am doing right now. Done. Let's check it if it is working or not. Oops, it's not working. It's fine. Python 3.8.5 is not there in directory, so as it is not working. So now by using above commands we gonna change Python 2.7.18 to Python 3.8 as 3.8 version is listed in directory. And then restart machine or use command so reflects changes. Now check if it is working fine or not. Yes, it works good. Thank you for watching.